Hey guys, Jeremy here, and today we're going to be taking a look at just the assembly process of this lawn sweeper. Now, it was sent to me at no charge for this review. Now, a couple of things before we get into the assembly process is, so the assembly process did take a little bit longer than expected, but I tell you what, that is a pretty solid unit. Now, let me walk you through some of the assembly process. Now, you do have a hitch here so that you can hitch it to a four-wheeler, or you can put it on the back of a riding lawnmower. You've also got a height adjustment right here, so you can have it sweeping all the way flush with the ground, or if you wanted to like move to a deeper grass, you got that adjustment right there. Pretty easy to use that. You got these cotter pins right here. You're just going to pull the pins, and then you're going to be able to separate the rake from the basket. So when it's time to dump the basket, you're going to be able to just pop these cotter pins, pull the cleaver pins out, and then take your basket and dump it wherever, maybe in a compost pile or in a flower bed, garden, someplace like that. It does roll really smooth on concrete surface. I'm sure it's going to move just as smoothly on the grass as well, being pulled by a four-wheeler or a lawnmower. I want you to see when it's moving in the forward position, how it's going to sweep whether it's going to sweep a concrete or whether it's going to sweep your leaves or your grass clippings. When you move forward, it's going to get the brushes rolling just like that. And so as you are rolling, that's throwing leaves, that's throwing your debris into that basket, and then you're going to be able to use that for your compost, your garden, or whatever you're going to be using that for, or maybe you're just going to dump it as waste. This is going to be the right lawn sweeper for you.